Uno, dos, tres. I've come to the right place. Hi, Stephanie.
Welcome. We are so thrilled to have you.
I am thrilled to be here.
Welcome to Todos Santos. We're located a little bit over an hour outside of Cabo San Lucas. Shall we go inside to the main space?
I love this plan.
All right, let's do it.
This is immaculate. It's like modern and chic, but you've made it so unique. Sand, stone, earth, the landscape kind of coming to life.
Yeah, so this is a communal area. It's like the space of togetherness. This is where everybody meets in the morning. They cook breakfast or hire somebody to cook for them. They eat long meals at the dining room table, or they come in here and they lounge. You'll notice that on all four sides, it opens up to the outdoors. We're dining, and then after a long, wonderful day of enjoying Todos Santos or the pool, they can sit together at the fire pit and talk about your day, reminisce about your memories that you've shared with your guests. All the artist features in the home are Mexican artists. When people are traveling, that they take the time to learn about the places that they're visiting and the people who live here.
Let's describe those awesome villas that the guests can stay in.
That's really unique because they're each standalone villas, so they offer a sense of privacy. Each one has a king-size bed, and we also have both sitting areas and workspaces for people.
All of your indoor spaces, you've brought them to such wonderful, vibrant life, celebrating the area, celebrating Mexico.
You think you love what we've done inside? Wait till you experience the pool. Let's go take a look.
This has to be a great spot for gathering and entertaining.
Oh my gosh, it is. Terrace is a place of togetherness, but it's also a place of escape. What you'll notice about the design is that there's a lot of places where you can go and create memories with the community, with each other, but you can also go and read a book on the hammock or gaze at the stars.
And did I see a fire pit too?
You most certainly did, and my favorite person on the planet is sitting over there waiting for us, and I can't wait to introduce you to them.
Paul's great to meet you. I've heard so much about you from Stephanie, but also wanted to compliment you for everything you've done here at Trace. And I hear there's even some more things to do and celebrate.
Yes, absolutely. We're always pushing it here at Trace. We do have rooftop living coming here soon. We cannot wait to open the doors to that.
Thank you for opening your doors to us.
We hope that Trace has inspired everyone watching to come stay.
I'll raise a glass to that.
Yes.
Salud.
Cheers.